Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital assets. Today, we're tackling how to transfer XRP to Phantom in 2025. If you're holding XRP and want to move it to your Phantom wallet for better security or multi-chain access, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check details to avoid any hiccups. Let's dive in. First things first. Make sure you have XRP in a compatible wallet, like one on the XRP ledger. If you're starting from an exchange, withdraw it to a wallet you control. Never skip this for security reasons. Next, open your Phantom wallet app or extension. Phantom is popular for Solana, but with 2025 updates, it's integrating more cross-chain capabilities, so ensure it's updated to the latest version for seamless XRP support. Now, for the transfer. Head to your source wallet and select XRP as the asset. Copy your Phantom wallet address. It's a long string, so be precise. Remember, XRP uses the XRP ledger network, so when you're adding the recipient address in Phantom, specify that network to prevent any errors. In 2025, look for enhanced features like auto detection to make this easier. Initiate the transfer by entering the amount and confirming the transaction. You'll need to pay a small network fee, which is standard for XRP moves. Once you hit send, keep an eye on the transaction status using a blockchain explorer. It should show up in your Phantom wallet within a few minutes. A quick tip. Always verify addresses multiple times and enable two-factor authentication on your wallets. The crypto space evolves fast, so by 2025, there might be new regulations or tools. Stay informed. There you have it, folks. You've just transferred XRP to Phantom like a pro. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that digital future together. See you in the next video.